Resilient, robust, and reliable. These words define the Chaos, our first CE-rated jacket from First Manufacturing. The Chaos is a double-A garment, thanks to its outstanding resistance from abrasion and tearing. It is crafted from premium materials, ensuring durability that stands strong against wear and tear. The addition of CE Level 2 armor on the back, shoulders, and elbows, plus the padding on the shoulders and lower back, supports its Class AA status. This jacket is dedicated to deliver protection and long-lasting durability for riders who prioritize both safety and style. Designed with a slim modern fit, it showcases our 1.2mm diamond naked cowhide. The center zipper and banded collar offer a sleek look, while the zipper side reliefs enhances ease of wear and prevents rising when sitting. For added comfort during rides, it features 2 front vertical vents and vented action back shoulders, promoting ventilation and mobility. Its zip-out thermal liner ensures adaptability to various weather conditions. The Chaos is the ultimate choice for those seeking a blend of taste, durability, and protection. Experience the peak of riding safety and style by ordering the Chaos jacket from firstmfg.com.